All right, so the next topic that we're going to be covering in Nutritional Sciences 332 is vitamins. So the purpose of this micro lecture is just to kind of give you a brief introduction to vitamins so you have a better idea of what's going on in class these next couple weeks. So you may remember Dr. Yan briefly mentioning vitamins during the metabolism unit. The main function of vitamins is to regulate and support very specific biochemical reactions in cells. So they do play a really big role in metabolism. They act as coenzymes and they regulate cell function. An important thing to remember about vitamins as we're talking about it over the next couple weeks is that they do not provide energy like other macronutrients do. There are two types of vitamins. First, we're going to be talking about the fat-soluble vitamins, and I will be lecturing over those. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. The fat-soluble vitamins are very hydrophobic, and so similar to fat, they are easily stored. So you can build up a very large reserve pool of those fat-soluble vitamins, and it is hard in the American diet to become deficient in fat-soluble vitamins. Because they can accumulate very easily, they can be toxic, and in order to absorb fat-soluble vitamins from our diet, you have to eat a good amount of fat in your diet, and we'll talk about specifics of that as well in class. There's also the water-soluble vitamins, and those are the B vitamins. There's 8 of them that we'll be talking about, and also vitamin C. So opposite of fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins aren't stored, or if they are stored, it is very, very small amounts. Water-soluble vitamins are easily excreted, and because they can be excreted easily and only stored in small amounts, it's typically easier to become deficient in the water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins also vary in stability, a lot of times due to the different cooking methods, and we'll cover that as well. So just an overview of the fat-soluble vitamins. This is a table from your book. We'll talk about vitamin A, which is crucial for your vision, your immune system, as well as reproduction. Vitamin D, which is very important for bone health. And we'll also touch a little bit on vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, and vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting. As for the water-soluble vitamins, highlighted here are all of the B vitamins. We'll be covering most of these. You might remember riboflavin and niacin, as those are vitamins that get oxidized and reduced in metabolism. We kind of talked about those. We'll also be talking about folate and vitamin B12. Folate and vitamin B12 are very important in DNA synthesis and cell growth. And we'll also talk about pantothenic acid, biotin, as well as thiamine, which play crucial roles in energy metabolism. And lastly, we'll talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C has a lot of antioxidant properties, and it's also very important in the role of collagen in your body. Also, I would suggest that you take a look at chapter 10 and 11 in your book for additional information on vitamins, which I think will be a very good supplement to what we go over in class.